Welcome to Quick Tips with Chef Swain. Today we are talking refrigeration. No, I'm not talking about what magnets you choose or if you hang your kids' artwork on it. Oh, this one? I did this one myself. It's an illustration of what a centaur baby looks like. Anywho, how do we best store your food and best practices to prevent you from food poisoning yourself? Tape and a Sharpie are great to have in your kitchen so you can label your leftovers and your prep food. A good thermometer like this one will show you exactly what temp your fridge should be. It will also warn you if it's running too warm or too cold. See that little green bar? That's where your fridge should be at all times. As you can see, I have a couple stored in different places so that I know the temperature of each of those areas. The door of your fridge will always be the warmest spot, so it's a good area for one. This thing, infuriating. How are you going to rely on this dial to keep your food safe? Ugh, this door hasn't even been open that long, and as you can see, it's already a little above the safe zone. So here is how mine is laid out. Upper shelves are leftovers, use first items and prep food. Middle areas, we keep beverages and all of the eggs. We have a couple drawers. The upper one is cheeses, we've got one for veggies, and the bottom one is always meats. Always keep these on the very bottom. You don't want raw meats hanging out above your veggies or beverages or anything. The door, like I said, is the warmest part, so try and only really keep condiments or beverages here, things that aren't really affected by temperature swings. As you can see, almost everything here is labeled so that we know what it is. I also will put a date on some things so that I know which ones to use first. First in, first out. Now you know how to safely store your food from top to bottom. Hopefully you learned something today from this quick tip. Please like and subscribe. I put out cooking videos every Monday and Friday. Have a magnificent day, and may your quest for food knowledge be bountiful.